If your car feels perfect today, this video is about what happens next. Because almost every modern car follows the same pattern. Think about the first few years of owning a new car. Everything feels right, the engine is smooth, the steering feels tight, there are no warning lights, no unexpected noises. You start trusting the car, and that trust is exactly what makes the next phase so frustrating. Here's something interesting. Across different brands, different price segments, and even different technologies petrol, diesel, hybrid, electric the ownership timeline looks surprisingly similar. Around 3 years, everything still feels fine. By year 4 or 5, something changes, not a failure, a shift. Most people assume this is because the car is getting old. That's not accurate. Modern cars don't age the way older cars did. They are designed to perform their best during a specific window. Once you understand that window, everything else makes sense. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. Modern cars are engineered around the warranty period, not because manufacturers want them to fail, but because engineering is always about trades off. Materials are chosen for precision, efficiency, and cost. Sensors are calibrated tightly. Components are designed to operate close to optimal limits. When the car is new, this feels amazing. When the car ages slightly, the margins disappear. Older cars were mechanical systems. Modern cars are interconnected networks. Your engine doesn't just burn fuel, it also listens to sensors. The sensors rely on software. That software rely on clean electric signals, and the electric signals rely on wiring that slowly degrades over time. One weak signal doesn't cause one problem. It creates confusion across multiple systems. This is why modern car problems feel random. One day everything is fine, the next day you see a warning light, then it disappears, then sometimes else shows up. Nothing is technically broken, but the system is no longer stable, and instability is expensive. Now add emissions and fuel efficiency into the mix. Modern engines run hotter, oils are thinner, tolerances are tighter than ever. This is great for efficiency, but terrible for aging. Even minor wear start affecting performance, emissions, and reliability. That's when Euro codes appear. Look at the materials used today. Plastic intake manifolds, composite hoses, electronic actuators replacing mechanical ones. These reduce weight and improve mileage, but they also degrade with heat cycles. Not suddenly, but gradually, until one day a small failure causes a big bill. This is the stage where owners says things like the car runs fine but sometimes always seems off. I have fixed one thing, now another issue has started. It's not unreliable, just annoying. That's not bad luck, that's complexity catching up. Modern cars are not designed to age gracefully, they are designed to be exceptional early. After that, complexity works against long term simplicity. This doesn't mean you bought a bad car, it means the rules have changed. Modern cars are safer than ever. They are faster, they are cleaner, but ownership today requires different expectation, and buyers deserve to understand the reality. If you want honest engineering based explanation about cars, not marketing, then subscribe. In the next video, I will break down the hidden cost of car ownership most people never calculate. Thank you.